Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Saturday, October the 17th, 2020. Yes, we have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper, a quintuplet. I won't do this anymore. It's taking too long to solve it. I will leave a PDF file so you can download it and solve it by yourself. Below there's a link, so enjoy it. And there is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. Half of them, 4 pieces, I will do, and they are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic I will do, and 1 binary. Enough is enough, so let's get started with this medium Sudoku, and this one will be number 1767. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you can compare with the Sudokus in the additional with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. And this one has a 27 printed digits. You can count them or check them if I'm right. And 27 if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. This one has a 1 star. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Let me scan this whole Sudoku. Let me see. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, 1. So we see here a 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this row, the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then, let me see. I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? Yeah. 9, 6, 2, 1. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We see here the 1 and the 9 in this row, so no 1 and the 9 in this box. I see here 1 and the 9, so no 1 and the 9 in that box. So the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes in this column. 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 7, 7 we have. 8 and the 3, 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3, I cannot fill this yet. No, need to wait. And then let me see. How about the number? The number 6 in this big square. We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. And we see here 6 in this column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6, I cannot continue again. This one is also not easy at all. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One of the 2 numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Then 8. Yeah. 13. No, not the solution. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the 3rd row? So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1, no. How about... No. Need more information. Let me see. The 4 in this row, the 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Or there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Or there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the 3rd row. So in the row between the 2nd row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 4. Those 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 8 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 4 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. The 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. 1 box left in this column should be the number 7. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 1 number left in this column for the number 3. And then Then. Here. And then I need to think. Yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 2 and 9, I believe here. 2 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 2 and 9. So the other 2 should be the 8 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. These 2, 3 and 7. No. Not easy at all. Not easy at all. 7, 7. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. One box left in this row for the number 3. Yeah. 5, 8, 8. Wow. One, 2, 3. No. Think. We have a 2, 3. We need a 4, 2, 4, and 7. 2, 4, 7. I need 2, 4, and 7 in the second column. And look, we have a 2, 7 there. So no 2 and 7 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 4. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 5, 3 missing numbers now. The 3 is missing. The 6 is missing. We have a pair, I believe. 2 and a 6 in this column. 2 and a 6 in that column. So in the last column, the 2 and the 6 should be here. Let me mark them. 2 and a 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2, 6, 1, 3, 7. 8, 4, 9. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 8. 1 and an 8. Cannot feel this yet. Let me mark them for you. Alright. Let me see. 9. 3. I need a 3. 3. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 2. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and an 8 goes there. We have a pair here, 5 and an 8 in this row. Let me mark them, 5 and an 8. 2 now we have, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 7. A pair we have here also in this row for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row, the 1 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. For a 1-star Sudoku, could be faster. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the extra puzzles in the additional. Bye bye for now.